It's back again.
I put my money on casino.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Chris. Hope everything's good. Hope that y'all good, you know, all that good stuff. So as you guys saw, we have the check engine light again. What I believe it is a spark plug that isn't gapped correctly, or that probably maybe opened up or something. But I didn't record this, but last time my boy Christian and I, or he did actually, he spliced in or wired in a new connector to the coil pack. When I took it to AutoZone to get the code read, it said it was an ignition coil, and the car is idling a little bit rough too. So wait, hold on, let me show you guys. You see how it's kind of like bouncing up and down? Yeah, it was actually worse than that before we wired in the new connector. But once we wired in the new connector, the check engine light popped back up, but it was gone. And the reason why it was gone, I think I just realized that I was talking to you guys in the dark the whole time because I have a sunshade up because it's pretty hot out. So sorry about that. But the reason why the check engine light, the service engine soon light, is still on is because we disconnected the battery before working on anything electrical. So given that you disconnect the battery, obviously nothing else is going to pop up until a while, and after a while the light decided to pop back up, and it was because, yeah, we disconnected the battery. Oh well. Hopefully I checked the gaps and it's just that, just the gaps, and the light goes away. Okay guys, you know how I had that check engine light? Well, that filter's clean, but I think this is why it's misfiring. I don't know if you guys see that little space right there. The screen is actually supposed to be more up. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. It's supposed to be more up. Hopefully this fixes the issue. Car is idling fine now. Drives like mint. Chef's kiss, chef's kiss. Oh wait, hold up. Y'all notice this? Do y'all notice this? Y'all notice that? I don't know if y'all noticed that. I don't know, sneak peek to next video maybe? Alright, we got the coilover in. I don't know. But yeah guys, we here. Beautiful view. I did take some pictures here with my boy Jay. I'll drop some, you know, little clips here. Not clips, but some pictures that I took here. Yeah, the car's fixed now, as you can tell. Drives hella good. It's not misfire no more, thankfully, because I was getting tired of it. I didn't even know what it was, to be honest. I was almost like, bruh, let me just take this car to the shop and let them figure it out. But we don't do things like that. We try, and we figure it out. And that's what it's all about, you know, trying things out in life, not giving up, because you never know. If you just keep on pushing, you'll never know what's gonna. If you don't, let me say this. Hold on. If you don't try, then you won't know what's gonna happen. You won't know the result. That's what life is, because just keep on trying. Don't give up. Keep going at it. Like, of course, there's gonna be points, there's gonna be moments where you're stuck and you don't know what to do, and it's okay to ask for help. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Me, I'm hella hard-headed. I won't ask for help. That's just how I am. I'm hard-headed as. I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all are like that too, because we're human. We wanna figure it out, and some of us are just like, you know, hey, let me figure this out on my own. I don't need nobody's help. It's okay to ask for help, like I said, because we don't know everything, and we can't do everything by ourselves. There's always going to be those people that have a piece of information or a piece of advice that you need to hear, or that thing that you need, like, you know, whether it be a part, anything. So don't give up. Just keep on going. Push through, because there's light at the end of the tunnel. Always gonna be light at the end of the tunnel, no matter what anybody says. Like, yeah, gets tough, but there's always gonna be light. There's light somewhere. You just gotta keep on searching. And then for those of you that are in a dark place right now, you know, that aren't doing too good, just know that you guys are gonna pull through. It's not forever. Like, yeah, it may feel like forever, and maybe, yeah, it's been like a couple years that you have been in this dark place, or, you know, months, weeks, days. But just know that it's not gonna last forever. It all comes to an end. One thing too, trust the process. Believe in yourself, because if you don't believe in yourself, no one else is gonna believe in you. And I've learned that, you know, my 23 years of living, I've definitely learned that to believe in myself, to trust the process, because you can't control everything. There's gonna be things that are out of your control. There's just nothing you can do about certain things. That's just how life is. That's why you have to take it day by day. Take things one thing at a time, and don't try to do so much at the same time, because you'll stress yourself out, and you'll just reach a breaking point. Sometimes it is good to reach that breaking point, because a lot of times that breaking point is a realization point. You realize that you bit off more than what you can chew. Realize the mistakes, you know, learn your lesson, apply that moving forward. And if there is anybody else in your spot, or that needs, you know, some help, you know, let them know. Give them free game, because not a lot of people will give you advice. You know, in general, no one tells you how life's gonna be. Like, yeah, you know, as a kid, you'll hear like, hey, you know, if you don't do this, you know, this is gonna happen, or you need to do this because this, you know. You don't realize it until you grow up. Life happens. Everything just comes at you all at once. No homo. Don't give up. That's all I can say. That'll be a wrap for this video. Obviously, I'm in a different hat. I'm pretty sure I'm in a different hoodie, or, yeah, I don't know what I was wearing, but it's been a cool minute, because, hey, your boy been busy. Hit that like button, hit that sub button, you know, do everything. Ooh, and that's it. Before I forget, this was the connector that I was talking about, that we thought was causing the misfire, because when we were installing these MSD coil packs, I broke off one of the connectors. So that's what I thought that was causing the misfire. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that connector, and that's pretty much it. That's it. So we out of here. Oh, I'm so tired from that trip to Mexico. I forgot to tell you guys that we were going to Mexico. And I'm tired. So, peace.
I put my money on casino.